So, what's up here? Oh, we're running already.
Is it running?
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
right.
Hello, people.
Hello, everybody.
This is a karaoke version, if you like, of Pigeonhole, which Tim Lyric. No, stop that.
We'll just keep going and
Okay.
sort of.
So, hello, everybody. This is a karaoke version of Pigeonhole. Tim Walters wrote the original lyrics, and then when I recorded it again with Steve Loveday, we kind of added in a bit of AI maranga into it, and me and Rod sat here listening to it tonight, and we got pissed, and basically we thought we'd do a karaoke version, which would be complete shit probably, but it's funny and it's rock and roll. Do you know what I mean? So this is it, and here we go. It's taking 9 miles apart, and AI's getting really smart. Once the music set me free, you don't need to label me. No, I'm not one to push the borders, suit a need for some new order. Feel the grit and root feel. Isn't that how music's real? Don't tell me I can't sing the blues. I'll write a ballad if I choose. Don't tell me that I have no soul, or cannot even rock and roll. Don't tell me indies are the rage, or how to write a lyrics page. No need for a begging bowl, won't fit in your pigeonhole. There is of course a tiny catch, failing to define my patch. No one puts me waves a flag without the faintest just who's back. Who's back?
My bag, your bag, my bag, old bag.
I am a could be with emotion. I have no market, just emotion. Words and music set me free. You don't need to label me. I've got the wrong words.
Tell me I can sing the blues.
I'll write a ballad if I choose.
Tell me that I have no soul.
Cannot even rock and roll.
Don't tell me these are the rage.
Or how to write a lyrics page.
No need for a begging bowl.
One fit in your pigeonhole.
Fuck your pigeonhole, AI.
One trying to mix no metaphor, but things since they were before. Still cooped up in my pigeonhole. The pigeon going with the flow. There's plenty out there just like me, detached from any memory of why they chose the hardest part, or it shows them the aftermath of dreams and fate and destiny that simply would not let me be. The words and music set me free. The lyrics got lots to do.
There we go. Right.
Don't tell me I can't sing the blues.
Don't tell me that I have no soul.
Don't tell me these are the rage.
AI's gone and stole the show.
AI's gone and stole the show.
Glitch in your pigeonhole.
I won't fit in your pigeonhole. No need to fetch a begging bowl.
All use.
Fit in your pigeonhole, missus. Don't fucking tell me.
Just to be perfectly clear, we're not big fans of AI, are we, Jerry?
Don't fucking tell me.
Don't fucking tell me. Shove your fucking pigeonhole. AI plagiarism, it's a plague on the music. It's a plague on the muse. Shove your fucking AI where the sun don't bloody shine.
Right, we've got to do that again.
Yeah, we got that off our chest.
We have to do that again. We'll just do a few more, then we just pick the bones out of the best of it, yeah? So we need to, yeah, just fucking do it again. It's just funny, isn't it? So I'm gonna. Hello, everybody. That sounds a bit like Toyah on Robert and Toyah, doesn't it?
Yeah, did you watch that?
Yeah. Brilliant. Hello, everybody.
You've got to get your puppies out, mate.
My mate Raj is over from Sweden, and we've been listening to some of my Boxes album, and we started listening to Pigeonhole, and thought we'd do a karaoke kind of version of it. And Tim Waters wrote lyrics for this, and then Steve Loveday and I changed it because we were getting so fucked off with the whole AI kind of thing going on, you know. And this is for all you real musicians out there who kind of actually think and write proper music. This is kind of for you.
Do it, give us a Freddy.
Takes a mind of miles apart,
And AI's getting really smart.
words and music set me free.
You don't need to label me.
I'm not one to push the borders,
Suit a need for some new order.
feel the groove and groove the feel.
Isn't that how music's real?
Don't tell me I can't sing the blues.
I'll write a ballad if I choose.
Don't tell me that I have no soul.
Or cannot even rock and roll.
Don't tell me these are the rage.
Or how to write lyrics on a page.
No need for a begging bowl. I won't fit in your pigeonhole. There is of course a tiny catch, failing to define my patch. No one plugs me, waves a flag, without the faintest just who's bag.
Your bag?
Bag is
My bag ain't my bag. I don't bag or dig AI in anything.
I am a could be with promotion. I'm no market, just emotion. Words and honest, open, pure. Isn't that what music's for? Don't tell me I can't sing the blues.
I'll write a ballad if I choose.
Don't tell me that I have no soul.
Or can even rock and roll.
Don't tell me these are the rage.
Or how to write a lyrics page.
There's no need for a begging bowl. Won't fit in your pigeonhole.
Fuck that.
Not a mix, no metaphor. The things they as they were before. Still cooped up in my studio. The pigeonholing with the flow. There's plenty out there just like me, detached from any memory of why they chose the
latest part, or it shows them the aftermath of dreams and fate and destiny that simply would not let it be. The music's there, the lyrics too, of lots of music still to do. Don't tell me I can't sing the blues. Don't tell me that I have no soul. Don't tell me indies are the rage. AI's gone and stole the show. Won't fit in your pigeonhole. Fuck you.
Fuck that pigeonhole. Shove it where the sun don't shine.
I won't fit in your pigeonhole. No need to fetch a begging bowl. Fit in your pigeonhole. Don't tell me I'm not really sea love, Dave, just pretending. I wish.
That's it, just like AI.
That's a fake, like
Yeah.
AI.
Yes. Yes. Indeed. Man, now, it's a ripping guitar solo, Jerry.
Top guitar solo, boy.
Yes, jolly good, isn't it?
It's excellent.
It's jolly good.
There aren't many like him.
No, not anymore.
Man knows what to do.
Yes, indeed.
The hands of experience.
Indeed.
He's had his hands around some serious things.
Yes. He knows how to grip the neck.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh.
A thick neck, I believe, on his apparatus.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Suits you, sir. We've probably got some good stuff there. Go to how you paste it all together.
Yeah, I think we've got enough to be going on with there, sir. I think we have enough cloth to cut into something suitable, sir.
That'll be funny, actually. Oh dear. Oh.